Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all a heavy duty suction cup by Kinglev. This is on Amazon. The link will be in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out, see if it's the right suction cup for you. Really excited about this. Basically it's billed as a way to move glass, repair laminate floor attached to marble, that sort of thing. They did send me this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is my own. So we'll unbox it here. Then I got a piece of glass on my coffee table upstairs that we'll go ahead, we'll use this to pick it up and see how it does. So yeah, here it is. Here's the packaging. Nothing special, but again, you're not going to be saving it because it's a suction cup. So let's go ahead now and look at it. Wow, really big. Bigger than I thought it'd be. Looks really cool. We'll go ahead, we'll take it out of a nice plastic wrapper. It says aluminum, so it's really nice, really durable, really strong. This is not plastic. Looks really sweet. Looks easy enough, man. Wow, those are tough. Wow, when they say heavy duty, they sure mean it. So that's already really snug. Man, the glass I have upstairs is really, really light and really thin, so I'd almost be nervous this is too strong, but we'll go ahead and try. And for just for fun, we'll see if we can pick up this table. It is off the ground. So this is a strong suction cup, man, let me tell you. So if you can really lift some of those heavy objects with it, or again repair floor with it, that sort of thing, this has got some strong grip. So really awesome, really cool, really excited. We'll go ahead, we'll get it on some glass to see what it's like. But man, that's cool. Really strong suction. Again, you can lift up this table that's, 10 or 20 pounds. So awesome, cool. Get it down again, then release it again. So really heavy duty is probably an understatement. Let's go ahead, let's try it upstairs and see what it does. All right guys, back at it again. We're gonna go ahead, attach this to this piece of glass. It's really strong, really hard to do. And then just watch as it grips it, it can pull it straight out. So you can see that. Awesome. Really cool. Then you can just gently place it right back in. So definitely an awesome suction cup. Really cool, really happy with it. So that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is on Amazon. You can check it out in the link below. It'll take you right there. Any purchases made through that link help support my channel, so you'll see the same price whether you use the link or not. Just appreciate you guys watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, leave me any questions or comments you have. And if you're in the market for a suction cup, definitely want to check this one out. See you guys in my next video. Thanks.